If you're looking to buy a property surrounded by spellbinding nature, amazing views, and peaceful environment, then Arcos de La Quinta is just perfect for you.
Renovated in the highest qualities, this penthouse offers 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Light and airy open-plan living room with lavish furniture and art pieces from famous painters connected with an elegant and functional kitchen. Spacious master bedroom has its ensuite modern bathroom, as well as large and functional walk-in closet. The terrace in this penthouse has probably one of the best views, and to enjoy them, 3 chilling areas has been created. Cozy sofa space to read a book in the evening or have a glass of wine. Outside dining area and the chiringuito style bar to have a sip of a cold drink during the hot day.